in the beach, and look at me. I look like I'm wearing mini skates. So cute. I think I'm gonna change, so I'm feeling kind of empty here, but.
Yeah. You know what? That's what we just do there. Should be like the thumbnail.
We can try. I'll just say. I dumb. I walk up my steppers.
Cause you dumb. Dumb.
Why do you have your phone?
Make it so short though. I had to tell make it a little longer. Yeah.
Mommy, I can go and catch me.
Them tell you they have money for that?
Look at this. Wait, hold on. I don't even know how to flip this camera. Bro, what is this? Crystal, what are you doing? We just did the stands for all the cooks. We stand and they gone.
Literally.
Like all gone.
What?
Them children over there playing. We was literally building a pool, and the pool, well, that pool pooled, but then it gone. And now, instead of we just finished eating bread and rotisserie. If you're ever looking for me that go and cut at the beach shop, bread and rotisserie is it. That's the shit. But yeah, this children are building a sand castle, so I'm going to show you all that. That's it, what you doing? Oh, what? Oh, look at Bill. Oh, they're not too bad, but they still need some water to build that, no? No, the water to help build up the wall. Yeah.
But the kitchen, what did you learn?
Well, I spoke to Sister Crystal. Full name is Sister Crystal Scott. She's into writing poems.
Okay.
She would like to publish some of them soon.
Seriously? Sister Crystal is a young lady of many talents, because I realize she's very dramatic, eh? She dramatized her whole testimony anyway. Yeah? Take it notes, yes. You have a our concert coming up just now. So, we have many talents. So, praise the Lord. Give us a round of applause. Great. So, we are coming down to the end of our service tonight. So, we're going to take up our offering. Okay. We take up the offering after this. So, what is severe is cake and ice cream. I know some people like ice cream alone, some people like both ice cream and cake, so you get it both, right? So you're going to come with the usher will direct you to come with your plate and